This particular package consisted of a single skid with 3 water-cooled air compressors, which provided their main air. It also consisted of a separate air-cooled air compressor, which is an emergency black start air compressor should they have a platform-wide power failure that needed to operate. There was 3 separate dryer packages, and there was, unusually for us, there was a water cooling package to allow us to provide the cooling water and the cooling facilities for the main air compressors. There were lots of things in this project that appear in other projects, but it was a fact that all of them seemed to come together in this one project. There was issues with seismic loading, there was wind loading, there was a location of the package on the exposed part of the platform. There was weight issues that the customer particularly wanted us to keep the package light, and at the same time put very onerous seismic loadings into the mix. Very challenging indeed.
The unit was very tricky to move out of the workshop. We had to jack it up onto skates, and then we had to use our 12-tonne forklift truck to pull it out of the workshop so we could get it under the crane to be able to lift it onto the lorry. This is one of the biggest packages that we've done for the last 20 odd years. It's roughly 6 metres wide by 12 metres long, weighing in at roughly 60 tonnes. The lifting gear was specially made to lift this package with spreader beams so you don't crush the crate, and the package has actually been packed into a foil bag to protect the machine, and all the wood and the timber has all been treated.
It was a large package because the air requirement, the customer wanted a quantity of air, and that quantity of air needed a certain size and range of machines to deliver that air. We designed it to be just under the 6 metres to allow it to be road transported. If we'd have made it another couple of hundred centimetres larger, it would have been an issue getting it to the port. It's actually been taken up to Immingham by road on a police escorted load, and from Immingham by sea to the Caspian Sea. And I believe it's actually going through a canal between the Black Sea and the Caspian Sea. There were certainly logistical issues with the canal freezing over, etc., and the season of the canal being open. We ended up with a package that the customer was extremely pleased with. The performance exceeded their expectations. The build quality was far in excess of other vendors that the customers had been to. We delivered on time, on budget. It was a very successful project from start to finish, and everyone's extremely happy.